Join me as I try to beat the heat and stay cool while testing out this futuristic USB fan clock. I'm super excited to share with you this cool gadget that's not only a fan but also a clock. It's perfect for tech enthusiasts and anyone looking to stay cool in style. This little device is compact, sleek, and promises to deliver a refreshing breeze while keeping you on schedule. Traditional fans can be so annoying, they're noisy, bulky, and sometimes just plain ugly. And let's not forget about traditional clocks, which can be so basic. I mean, who needs just a clock when you can have a clock that's also a useful gadget? We've all been there, stuck with a fan that's blowing hot air or a clock that's just taking up space on our desk. The thing is, most fans and clocks are designed with one purpose in mind. They're not really thinking about the user experience. They're just two separate devices that we have to deal with. But what if I told you there's a better way? A way to have a device that's both functional and fun. I've had my fair share of noisy fans and boring clocks, and I know how frustrating it can be. You start to feel like you're stuck in a rut, using devices that aren't really making your life easier. That's why I was so excited to try out this USB fan clock. So, let's dive into the specifics of this gadget. The USB fan clock is designed to be compact and portable, making it perfect for your desk or bedside table. It's powered by USB, so you can plug it into your computer, phone, or any other device. The fan itself is pretty powerful, and it's surprisingly quiet. The clock is easy to read, even in bright light, and it's got some pretty cool features like a backlight and an alarm. The design of this thing is super sleek and modern. It's got a nice weight to it, so it doesn't feel flimsy. And the best part, it's actually really easy to use. Just plug it in, turn it on, and you're good to go. The smart features are also pretty cool. You can set it up to notify you when it's time to take a break or when you've got a meeting. Okay, so let's see this thing in action. I'm going to plug it in and turn it on. Whoa, that's some serious airflow right there. And check out the clock, it's easy to read, even from across the room. I've heard some great things about this gadget from other users, who rave about its performance and style. As someone who spent a lot of time working on a computer, I can appreciate a good cooling system. This thing is a game changer. Not only does it keep me cool, but it also keeps me on schedule. I'm really impressed with how well it works. In terms of use cases, I think this gadget is perfect for anyone who works on a computer all day. It's great for students, programmers, or anyone who's stuck in front of a screen for hours on end. And it's not just limited to work, it's also great for gaming or just lounging around. All in all, this USB fan clock is a total winner. It's innovative, functional, and actually pretty fun to use. It solves all the problems we discussed earlier: noise, bulkiness, limited features, and it does it all in a compact package. If you're a fan of innovative gadgets like I am, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know about your favorite tech finds. And if you're interested in checking out more reviews like this, I've got a bunch of other videos you might enjoy. BREIS new USB clock fan with real-time clock and temperature display function, silver, 1-year warranty. Brand BREIS. Color silver. Electric fan design wearable fan. Power source corded electric. Style modern. Product dimensions 3.15 x 7.09 inches wide by 0.67 inches high. Room type bedroom, living room, dining room. Special feature cool. Recommended uses for product home office. Wattage 5 watts. PVC soft fan blades are safe to use and the gooseneck is flexibly bent. Gently adjust the flexible neck to the position you need to keep cool in any position. Ideal for desktops and laptops, simply plug in any USB port on your laptop or PC without installing a driver. Gently adjust the flexible neck to posit the cool breeze anywhere you wish. The temperature clock fan is a USB fan with a special blade that creates an LED clock face. USB fans tech gadgets. USB fan consists of two soft PVC fan blades, which are safe to use, and one of them contains a high-tech chip designed to display LED clock scale and temperature. The gooseneck connection design allows you to turn the fan to any desired orientation with ease. Convenient UBS connection port can make the fan gadget's diverse connection charging treasure, computer, etc. In the use of the place has more choices, such as office, school, home, etc. Notes on the use of office gadgets. USB fans blades of the fan are not protected by a protective cover, so please be careful not to get your hands, hair or other objects near the fan blades into the fan during use to avoid injury. When you start the USB fan, the fan blades display the correct dial time and temperature as they rotate, making it an attention-grabbing tech gadget. The tech-filled USB fan is the wonderful futuristic electronic gadget's gift for man or girls. Desktop gadgets. PVC soft fan blades. The technical design of the fan blade contains a chip that displays the correct clock scale and temperature by means of LED light when the fan is in operation. Tech gadgets for teens fan. Connection line. USB fan cable is 15.75 inches long. Twist and rotate in multiple directions for everyday use in multiple venues. Ideal futuristic gadget. USB fan light. Push-button operation. The office gadget fan is controlled by a protruding push-button on/off switch, which allows you to start or turn off the fan with just a flick of the finger. Introducing the BREIS new USB Clock Fan, a modern and innovative desk accessory that effortlessly combines function and style in a sleek silver design, perfect for enhancing your home or office environment. This versatile fan features a unique combination of a real-time clock and temperature display function, making it not just a cool breeze but also a practical gadget for your workspace. Designed with safety in mind, the fan boasts soft PVC blades that provide a safe cooling experience, while the flexible gooseneck allows you to adjust the fan's position easily, ensuring that you can direct the airflow exactly where you need it most. The compact dimensions of 3.15 x 7.09 inches wide by 0.67 inches high make it an ideal companion for your desktop or laptop, requiring no installation. Just plug it into any available USB port and enjoy the refreshing breeze immediately. Whether you're working from home, studying at school, or relaxing in your living room, this 5-watt USB fan is the perfect addition to keep you comfortable. One of the standout features of this futuristic gadget is its ability to create an LED clock face that displays the correct time and temperature as the fan blades rotate, making it a captivating tech piece that draws attention. The high-tech chip integrated within one of the soft PVC blades controls the display, enriching your space with both functionality and flair. Additionally, the USB connection allows for greater versatility, enabling you to power the fan from various sources like power banks or computers, which makes it a convenient tool for any environment. However, it is essential to take precautions while using this gadget, as the fan blades lack protective covers, and care should be taken to avoid injury from hair, hands, or other objects near the blades. Whether you're looking for a unique gift for friends or family or just want to treat yourself to a striking piece of technology, the BREIS USB Clock Fan is a perfect treat. Its user-friendly push-button operation lets you control the fan's airflow effortlessly with a simple flick of your finger, enhancing its convenience and practicality. The 15.75 inches long USB fan cable provides ample reach for your setup, allowing you to twist and rotate the fan in multiple directions, fitting seamlessly into your daily activities while adding a touch of futuristic flair to your surroundings. With 1-year warranty included, you can confidently enjoy the benefits of this remarkable gadget, perfect for teens and adults alike, elevating your space while keeping you cool and comfortable.